Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE X97 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Firstly, you need to access your device's keyboard. If microphone icon is not visible at the top right corner of it, select this gear next to clipboard. Now click on voice typing and click on this gray sweater next to use voice typing in order to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard. Finally, to start typing, just click on the microphone icon. When you're ready, tap on the same one again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!